Tomorrow, 75 though tonight, 20% chance for rain and storms, 92 tomorrow, mostly sunny, northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, slight chance for rain and storms mainly through about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A bit muggy through the heartland tonight, 75, and then 98 tomorrow with sunny skies and a slight chance for rain and storms again through about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That cold front brings noticeably cooler temperatures for Friday and Saturday, 92 to 94. We start heating up on Sunday. Our next cold front, Gina, comes in Sunday night, and we get a little bit of a break.